Let's remind ourselves how different base representations work for integers. It's likely that base 10 is most familiar to you, using symbols 0 through 9 to represent the numbers 0 through 9. A number in base 10 notation means, for example, 2 times 10 raised to the third power, plus 0 times 10 raised to the second, plus 7 times 10 raised to the first, plus 5 times 10 raised to the 0. What are the rules? Each digit is a number from 0 to 9, and the value of each slot are increasing powers of 10, starting at 10 to the 0 on the right and moving over. Base 2 is identical, just there's many fewer symbols. 0 and 1 represent the numbers 0 and 1. Here's an example of a base 2 number, which means 1 times 2 to the 6th, plus 0 times 2 to the 5th, plus 0 times 2 to the 4th, plus 1 times 2 to the 3rd, plus 1 times 2 to the 2nd, plus 0 times 2 to the 1st, and finally plus 1 times 2 to the 0. In each digit, there's a number, 0 or 1, and the values of the slots are increasing powers of 2, starting on the right with 2 to the 0. In base 10, this example we just did is actually 64 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1, giving a value of 77. Base 2 is referred to as binary. Finally, let's do a general base p case. Base p, the symbols are 0 through p minus 1 to represent the numbers. And a number in base p might be represented this way, which means d4 times p raised to the 4th power, plus d3 times p raised to the 3rd power, plus d2 times p raised to the 2nd power, plus d1 times p raised to the 1st power, and plus d0 times p raised to the 0th power. The rules: in each digit, there's a number from 0 to p minus 1, and the value of the slots are increasing powers of p, starting at p to the 0. Base 16 is called hexadecimal, and the symbols beyond 9 for 10 through 15 are A through F. It's often notated with the leading 0x, for example 0x AF73. The 0x just indicates hexadecimal. So what would AF73 be in base 10? Well, the A is 10, and it's in the 4th digit, so it must be 16 raised to the 3rd power. The F is 15, that's in the 3rd digit, that must be 16 raised to the 2nd power. Finally, the 7 and the 3. Adding that all up, in base 10, that's 44,915.